The kitchen is often the heart of the home, a place for delicious meals and family gatherings. However, it can also be a source of danger if safety precautions are not followed. Cooking fires are a leading cause of home fires and injuries. Understanding common hazards and how to prevent them is crucial for every family. This guide provides essential steps to keep your kitchen safe and prevent cooking-related incidents. By following these simple rules, you can protect your home and loved ones. Always stay in the kitchen when you are cooking, especially if you are frying, grilling, or broiling food. Unattended cooking is a primary cause of kitchen fires. If you must leave the kitchen, even for a short time, turn off the stove. Keep your cooking area clean and clear of clutter. Flammable items like dish towels, oven mitts, paper products, and curtains should be kept away from the stovetop and oven. A clear space reduces the risk of accidental ignition. When cooking on the stovetop, always use the correct size burner for your pot or pan. A pan that is too small for the burner can cause heat to spread to nearby flammable items. Ensure pot handles are turned inward, away from the edge of the stove. This prevents accidental bumps that could knock a hot pan off the burner. Be mindful of loose clothing that could catch fire or get caught on handles. Consider wearing short sleeves or rolling up long sleeves when cooking. Before using your oven, check inside for any forgotten items like oven mitts or food packaging. These items can easily ignite when the oven heats up. Clean up food spills inside the oven promptly to prevent them from burning and causing smoke or fire. When using a microwave, only use microwave-safe containers. Never put metal, aluminum foil, or anything with metallic trim into the microwave. These materials can cause sparks and lead to a fire. Grease fires are particularly dangerous and require specific actions. If a small grease fire starts in a pan, do not try to move the pan. Do not use water to extinguish a grease fire, as water will spread the flames. Instead, carefully slide a lid over the pan to smother the flames. Turn off the heat source immediately. If the fire is in the oven, keep the oven door closed and turn off the heat. This will starve the fire of oxygen. For small, contained fires that are not grease-related, a fire extinguisher can be used. Ensure you have a multi-purpose ABC-rated extinguisher readily accessible in your kitchen. Know how to use it by remembering the PASS acronym. Pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, sweep from side to side. Only attempt to extinguish a fire if it is small, contained, and you feel safe doing so. Your safety is the top priority. If you have any doubt, evacuate immediately. Every family should have a fire escape plan and practice it regularly. Know 2 ways out of every room and establish a designated meeting place outside your home. In case of a kitchen fire, if you cannot extinguish it quickly and safely, evacuate everyone from the house immediately. Once everyone is safely outside, call the emergency services. Never re-enter a burning building for any reason. Working smoke detectors on every level of your home are essential. Test them monthly and replace batteries annually. Kitchen safety is a shared responsibility for every member of the family. By understanding and practicing these simple guidelines, you can significantly reduce the risk of cooking fires. Make kitchen safety a regular topic of discussion in your home. Prioritizing prevention and knowing how to react in an emergency will help keep your family safe. A safe kitchen is a happy kitchen.